Congratulations on doing well in your UPSC Civil Services Prelims examination. You are now one step closer to realizing your dream of becoming an IAS/IPS officer. Join awdheshacademy.com for your best preparation of ethics and essay papers. The courses are taught by Dr. Awdhesh Sir, a former IRS officer, the most sought-after educator of ethics and essay, and the author of best-selling books, Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude for Civil Services Examination and Mastering Essay and Answer Writing for UPSC Civil Services. When you join Awdhesh Academy, you are sure of studying from the best. All lessons are available in Hindi as well as in English. You can clear your doubts, take tests, download notes and practice answer writing on Awdhesh Academy. You can also get your answers evaluated by Awdhesh Sir. To know more, visit awdheshacademy.com today.